Hello guys, so if you are facing crashes due to incompatible software error in Roblox, I'm going to show you some methods that you can try to fix the issue. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to search to find your Roblox player shortcut, or you can simply search in your PC here as well. So after you find the Roblox player, what you'll have to do is you have to right click and open file location, and then from here this is the shortcut itself. Again, right click and open file location. So this would be your Roblox file location. What you'll have to do is you'll have to search for this Roblox player beta, right click on it, properties, go to compatibility. So you'll have to tick these two, disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Also run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. So tick this one, select Windows 7, press apply and OK, and then do the same with Roblox player launcher. Right click, properties, go to compatibility, tick these two options and then run in compatibility mode of Windows 7. Press apply and then press OK. After that, what you can do is you can go to your search tab again and type in allow an app through Windows Firewall. So press in this one. So it will show you all the apps that is allowed through your firewall. So you'll have to search for Roblox and see if Roblox is selected or not. So simply press R and see if Roblox is here as well. So if you cannot find Roblox, what you'll have to do is you'll have to add Roblox here itself. So simply to add, you'll have to press this change settings button. After that, you'll see the allow app another app button is not grayed out. So press that here as well. From here, you'll have to browse, and then you'll have to search for Roblox and its file location and select the Roblox application. So to do that, as we've done a while ago, we've come to the file location here as well, as you can see, where we changed the properties. So simply press on the pathway here and right click and then press copy, and we go back to the allowed application here as well. As you can see in the browse section, press here, right click, press paste and press enter, and you will see the file location is here as well along with the application. So simply select Roblox beta player, press open and then press add, and you will see Roblox is here as well. So what you can do is you can simply tick this private, and then it will be added and allowed through your firewall. So try these methods and hopefully your issue will be solved. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.